So I got my O2 sensor. I cleaned it up with some brake cleaner and looks a little better. It was pretty smoked. Debating on sanding it or not, but I think it should be okay. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead throw some anti-seize, because when I took it out, that shit was kind of on there. Yeah, throw on some anti-seize and then just plug it back into the downpipe. Another look at it. Came out really good. I really like the way this looks. Looks real good. So yeah, just gonna go ahead and do that now. Ah! I think I got some in my eye for a second. So, just gonna, yep, that's all I need. I don't need too much. I'm just gonna go ahead and just dab it in there. Yes, sir. Give it. Hope I can still save that. I mean, it was only $1. But yeah, get it all up in there. Nice and coated. Let's just thread it in there again. Awesome. Got my O2 socket from Harbor Freight. Love this thing. It's come in handy a lot, especially with my TSX. Yeah, I had to use this and the impact to get it out because it was really in there. But I think I should be okay with just yep. Well, you probably didn't see it. Get one last ugga-dugga. That should do it. And there we have it. Downpipe with the O2 sensor back on. It looks so good. I can't stop looking at it. Look at this. Right, this looks so fresh. I'm really excited on this. Okay, so now that this is good, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it back where it was with the O2. So I just popped off my oil cap because I was gonna test out this fake Nismo one, and I just found this. Found some like chocolatey, milky, yep. Oh man. So go back, and here, look at this. Oh man, no, look at that. Oh man, that's not good. My oil came out pretty clean, so I didn't think I had a bad head gasket, but it looks like I do. So I might just go ahead and start pulling the intake and get this thing ready for a head gasket. Fortunately, it's not something I wanted to do, but it is what it is.